Welcome back to this course, and now we will start by creating our project, which is a blog reader app. So I will open Xcode and create a new project for myself. I think we will name this project blog, and it will be language will be Swift and a universal app, so we can view it on iPhone as well as iPad. Click next, and let's save it in my folder and hit create. So it will just create our project. So basically now I will close my project which I have just created, because we need to understand how we can install a library or framework called LMFAO. So basically for that we need to open our terminal on your Mac OS. So basically the first requirement to install any library on iOS project is you have to install Cocoapods. So let's open up Safari and see what is Cocoapods. I will Google it, and you can see that this is the official website of Cocoapods. So basically you can see that it has the search bar and it has many available libraries that you can install. Suppose that we want some sub libraries about table view, so you can just type table view, and here you can select iOS and language is Swift. So you can see that there are many different libraries that you can install and use. Okay, so basically first we need to install Cocoapods. So the command to install Cocoapods is given here: sudo gem install Cocoapods. So basically you have to go to your terminal and type sudo gem install Cocoapods and press enter. I am not pressing enter because I have already installed Cocoapods in my machine. So you have to just press enter and it will automatically install Cocoapods for you. So this was this was the basic step in which you have to install Cocoapods. Now we have to install our library, which is called LMFAO. So let's Google it and see what the result comes. You can see that first link is a official page of LMFAO. So this is the GitHub code because it is open source. And if you scroll down, you can see that this is a networking library for Swift. If you scroll more down, you can see that how you will install the library. The first line is for installing Cocoapods, which we have already done. So now you can see that this is the all the source code for installing the LMFAO library through Cocoapods. So now I will show you how you can do that. First step is to go into the project folder, basically where your Xcode project is stored. So I will cd to my desktop and I will list and show that where is my folder. So I will do Swift course list cd to my blog folder list. Here you can see that now I am inside my folder, so I will now install LMFAO. So basically there are three steps by which we can install LMFAO. First step is by doing pod init and press enter. So basically what it had done is it has created a pod file for us. So if we type ls and press enter, you can see that we have a new file called pod file here, which we will have to edit. So I will use my vim editor, vim pod file, and press enter. So you can see that it has opened the file for us, so I will just edit it. So what I will do is I will type pod in single inverted commas. I will type the name of the library, and separated by comma I will type what version I want, and then I will save my file. So now the third step is I have to install this pod. So I will do pod install and press enter. So you can see that it is downloading and installing LMFAO, and now it has completed. So you will notice a single line here that please close any current Xcode sessions and use blog.exe workspace for this project from now on. Okay, so close this terminal, and now let's open up the folder where this is our project, and you can see that this was the old project file which we used to open it, but now Cocoapods has made up a new file which is called exe workspace. So basically we have to open the project from this file only. So let's double click it and open the project. I will select my simulator 2b6s and I will open this from the left menu, and you can see that here is the pods option, and you can see that LMFAO has been successfully installed, and there are all the different files of LMFAO. So basically I will go back to my view controller. So let's check whether LMFAO has successfully installed or not. So we will check it by importing LMFAO. If you type import LMFAO, you can see that it is automatically coming, and let's try to build the app, and you can see that the message will come. Okay, it's building. Okay, so the message is build succeeded. It means we have successfully imported LMFAO in our Xcode project. So from the next video we will learn how we will actually learn about the API that we are going to use and what response it will give us and how we are going to use that response in our app. So see you in the next video.